You know, I can recall a few years ago, my wife and I were watching the Grand Dog on a holiday weekend. He had a wheezing attack. We took him to an animal hospital. That was more than $200. So what if your pet is really sick?
You never know what's going to happen to your pets. And they're not pets anymore, they're family members.
Sandy got Pedro to comfort her husband in his final days. The dog meant so much to the couple, so when Pedro had a shattered disc last year and was paralyzed with internal bleeding, Sandy would have paid anything to save him. Trips to a specialist out of town, surgery. The price tag was $6,500. Sandy didn't have the cash. It had to go on a credit card. Sandy's daughter, Natasha, is an insurance agent. Not too many of her clients have pet insurance, but it is getting more popular as our pets are like family. Premiums for catastrophic illness or injuries are about $60 a month.
So, if you add the math up, it sounds like a lot, but if you have a $10,000 medical bill, you divide that by 10,000, it's going to take you how many hundreds of years to, have paid that back. So it's definitely worth it. Now that I've seen it, and play out in real life, I can see the value in it for sure.
Veterinarians see dogs and cats for a lot of reasons, and for a lot of families, money is no object when it comes to the health of a beloved pet. Accidents happen, pets get ill, especially in the summertime.
I think the big things that you're going to see are going to be vomit and diarrhea issues. These dogs are outside, so they're getting into things that they shouldn't. And then just like people in the summer months are subject to allergy issues, we see a lot of skin issues in dogs.
And Pedro, he's had acupuncture treatments, hydrotherapy, and making some progress. Bottom line, Sandy still has her beloved Pedro.
My husband said it best when we first got him. He said, "My darling," that's what he called me, "this is our grand puppy." So that's what he means to me.
Isn't Pedro cute? Sandy wanted to make sure I mentioned Bandits Band-Aids, an organization that raises money and helps people pay their vet bills. Sandy says she could never have afforded Pedro's physical therapy without it. He's in there right now. For Stretching Your Dollar, I'm Dan Cummins.